rain. I found a pretty cool spot and it's raining. The rain came. Anyhow, how's it going, people? Yes, I'm filming with my quad, the GoPro attached to it, because my vlogging camera is out of action. Anyway, today was supposed to be like Adelaide FPV round 4 or 5 race day. I don't really take races seriously anyway, but they're just fun to do. But it was cancelled because of the rain. Woke up early this morning and it didn't look like it was going to rain. So I went out for a drive to try and find this awesome spot that I am going to get to one day when the weather's better. But couldn't quite get there today because I found that it's a bit of a hike. So I just scoped it out with my Mavic this morning. The weather was nice and I thought, okay, I'm going to come out for a fly. So I came back to the city, found this nice spot here, and it's pretty cool. And burned some of the batteries I charged for the race, and then the rain came. So I'm a little bit annoyed, but that's okay. I'm just going to sit here and wait it out. Yeah, let's hope I get, at least a couple of packs in, because it looks, it's not a spectacular spot, but it looks fun. It looks like a nice chilled spot to fly. So I'm going to do that if the rain stops. Still in the car, still waiting for the rain to stop. It's come down a little bit. I moved. I might actually, look, there's an old lady on a gopher. Yeah. I might actually try and fly from inside the car. Okay, so I'm going to call it a day. It's bloody cold out there, so I'm flying. The rain stopped and I'm flying and my hands are freezing. My hands are getting cold. I can't, feel the sticks properly. I crashed and broke the standoffs on one of my quads, like the standoff on the flight controller, so it's getting a little bit wobbly. And the other quad is actually my favourite quad and it flies beautifully, but the video transmitter, I've got a Tramp HV, and I'll just be flying along doing something cool and then it'll just change stations on me. It'll change frequencies. It's really weird, so I don't know what's going on there. It's fucking annoying. But what do you do? So now the rain's come back, so it's probably good timing. Got some more quad repairs to do. Probably going to have to replace a Tramp, and those things are like freaking hen's teeth at the moment. You know, just to find one would be a miracle. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go home and just relax and keep warm. Sounds good. All right, peace out.